Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, bed liner, remote keyless entry, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, console. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.